morning. This is Engineer Suraj Singh from Faridabad. This message is for Dr. Roy, Professor Roy of Guru Nanak Engineering University, Ludhiana. I am very grateful to him that he extended to me an opportunity to talk, to converse, to interact with government engineers from the rank of assistant engineer to municipal engineer on the 1st and 2nd of January 2010. This opportunity was extended to me with his affection, and I am really grateful to him that I could talk to those people and just discovered that even government engineers to whom the people don't intend to give regard, are really interested to know about earthquake and about the methods to control the quality aspect on any project. It is true that there are so many barricades on the ways to quality from bureaucracy, but just passing the bucks of blame to them will not work. Those engineers, and I think all others not present in the seminar, are keen to get quality on projects, and they can do, but unfortunately, due to some reasons of cost cutting, those people are unable to run the qualities due to lack of staff. There are no proper staffing. Well, that is a different chapter now. This message is for Dr. H.S. Rai, who did a lot for the seminar, and I tried to talk to those people for about 5 hours. I am unfortunate that I could not cover more, but I put many messages on the Structural Forum of India website, that is www.sefindia.org, and those files can be seen on that site under Earthquake Management Controls, one file having many postings. I am just replying to Dr. H.S. Rai's message about my appreciation. I am grateful to him. I am not just very experienced person or having much potential about engineering. It is just result of working on sites and working in the offices and studying many literatures, studying about the catalogs and studying the books, that one can get much knowledge, and it can be more than what one can study in the university in a couple of years. I would just suggest all the engineers just to keep in touch of all those documents which they come across the professional works. It gives a great impetus to the knowledge augmentation. It's not difficult. It just consumes 1 hour to 2 hours per day or 5 to 6 hours a week to be in touch with upgradation and just to know the past. We can get knowledge in this internet age from all countries in the world, and if you work in the office, you may get much input from various standard suppliers, materials, and that's what has been done. It can be done by anybody. It's a question of concentration on anything. Yes, people are having lack of time. I understand. I had also lack of time, and due to some reasons, I'm just staying in NCR, Faridabad, because I'm constructing my house, and I didn't have time also when I was working abroad. I just started early in the morning to work at 5 to 8. I had 3 hours in which I could do my own personal jobs in addition to company jobs. Well, it is a question of management, how you manage, and everybody has different angles of management, and I think engineers can manage if they want. If they want to serve the people, if they want to help the society, and if they want to help the world, engineer can work. It is the engineer only who's the nation builder and who's the globe builder and who's the world builder. Without engineer, nothing is possible. All engineers are working in the world, and without engineers, world cannot move, country cannot move, nation cannot move, society cannot move, and one cannot move. So engineer has to contribute irrespective of the aspect of what money is getting. It is the responsibility of the engineers, in particular the civil engineers and structural engineers, who have to give and deliver to the public what is required and to allow them to live in a good house or in a good structure so that it should not fall in earthquake or any other wind load or any other aspect or any other tragedy. Disaster management is looked after nowadays by the Government of India Ministry, And this is called National Disaster Management, which is also busy and which is also doing a lot for the public just to educate the people and educate the engineers and scientists and all others. But that is a part of the total. We have to help ourselves. Government cannot do everything for us. It is the engineers who have to find the solution for the answers, and we have to spend a lot of money on all the structures just to keep them safe during the earthquake or during any other tragedy, during any other disaster. Disaster management has to be made. Safety issue has to be taken into consideration. Quality issue has to be taken into consideration. All this must be taken, and I think people would do it gradually. It takes time. It has taken us 60 years after independence, but now the time has come. We have to start ourselves. There are lakhs of engineers in this country, and they can do a lot if they wish. All engineers in the private sector, in the government sector, and all of the sectors can do a lot in addition to the support of scientists what they get. People must cooperate, and people would cooperate once. They know the engineers are okay, but the problem is the engineers are having a bad name, and particularly from the government sector. Which name they have to improve first. They have to remove the black mold, black spot from their reputation. Reputation should be earned first. Otherwise, the attempt will be wasted. It's just a small message. And again, I am extending my thanks and returning thanks to Dr. H.S. Rai, who just appreciated my effort. Well, that's very nice of you, Dr. Rai, and I hope I'll be in future enabled to talk to you through seminars or through some other mails, through postings, and very nice of your hospitality towards me. And thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Bye bye. This is Suraj Singh.